Sweet potato khichdi. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Rupa here. One more vrat recipe which is called as a sweet potato khichdi or a sweet potato upma. Let's go ahead and look at the ingredients. This is 3 cups of sweet potato grated and soak it in water. This will go dark in color. 1 cup freshly grated coconut. 1 cup peanut powder, coarse powder. 2 to 3 green chilies chopped finely. 1 teaspoon jeera. A pinch of hing. 2 tablespoon ghee. Sugar to taste and salt to taste. A little oil for cooking. And chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons optional. Let's take a walk. Once it's nice and hot, put the ghee, put a little oil. Once nice and hot, add the jeera, the green chilies, and the hing. Mix in the tempering and add the grated sweet potato. Drain the water out. Give it a nice mix. Mix it on high flame and see that it changes the color. It will become translucent. Cover and cook for 2 to 5 minutes on low flame. The sweet potato is cooking for 2 minutes. It doesn't take a long time to cook, as you can see. It's almost half done. Let's add the other ingredients to it. Add the salt, sugar, grated coconut. Let's keep some for garnishing. Peanut powder and the coriander. That also we'll keep for garnishing little. Give it a good mix. Let it just cook on open for 2 minutes. The khichdi or the upma is done. Let's take it out in a bowl for serving. Let's garnish it with coconut and coriander. As you can see, the sweet potato upma khichdi is ready. A very quick recipe and a very healthy option. I hope you enjoy it.